Kitchen counters are crowded with gadgets, but one appliance keeps earning its spot. The best Instant Pot options blend speed, safety, and versatility into a single smart machine. This guide breaks down 5 standout multi-cookers to help you choose wisely. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Electric Pot Duo Instant Pot. The Electric Pot Duo Instant Pot earns its place as a genuine kitchen workhorse, folding pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, rice making, yogurt fermenting, and warming into one countertop unit. 13 smart programs take the guesswork out of common dishes, letting you tap a button for soup, cake, or anything in between, rather than fiddling with manual settings. The easy-release steam switch stands out as a small but meaningful safety touch, giving you fast, controlled venting without hovering nervously over the lid. Anyone who has dealt with a finicky cooker will appreciate this release mechanism. Build quality leans premium thanks to the tri-ply stainless steel pot, which distributes heat evenly and holds up well to searing, something budget cookers often struggle with. Cooking speed is another strong point, with meals coming together up to 70% faster than slow cooking methods. The 6-quart capacity suits families comfortably, handling roughly 6 servings, and it works nicely for meal prepping ahead or batch cooking staples like grains and beans. Cleanup is refreshingly simple and quick, since the smooth stainless interior doesn't cling to food the way some coated pots often can. Where it falls slightly short is customization for experienced cooks who want granular temperature control rather than preset programs, and the 6-quart size may feel snug for larger households.
Number 2. Cosori 1100 Watt Instant Pot. The Cosori 1100 Watt Instant Pot packs an impressive 9 cooking modes into one machine, covering pressure cooking, rice, steaming, sterilizing, oatmeal, stews, beans, meat, slow cooking, sautéing, fermenting, sous vide, and keeping food warm. That breadth means it can genuinely replace a shelf full of single-purpose gadgets, which makes it appealing to cooks who want fewer appliances cluttering their counter. Safety gets real attention here. The vent button sits away from the steam release valve, and a 30-degree backward-angled venting design helps steam escape without blasting toward your hand or face. Combined with 12 safety features, including a double-layer anti-scalding lid and overheat protection, this cooker feels reassuring for anyone building confidence with pressure cooking. Cleaning is another area where thought went into the design, since the fingerprint-resistant stainless housing, widened half-inch pot gap, dishwasher-safe lid, and ceramic-coated inner pot cut down on scrubbing time. Locking the lid is refreshingly intuitive too, requiring nothing more than aligning 2 orange dots and twisting clockwise, so first-time users won't need to consult a manual just to seal the pot. Power output at 1100 watts suggests solid heating performance for faster pressure buildup. Where this model might leave some buyers wanting more detail is around capacity and precise dimensions, since exact quart size isn't specified here.
Number 3. Our Touchscreen Instant Pot. Our Touchscreen Instant Pot takes a simpler approach with 4 core functions: pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing or searing, and keeping food warm, aiming for everyday reliability rather than an overwhelming list of modes. What sets it apart is the streamlined touchscreen interface, which lets you dial in your own time and temperature instead of hunting through rigid presets, giving more control to cooks who like to tweak recipes their own way. This appeals especially to people who found older dial and button cookers confusing, since the touchscreen layout feels closer to using a smartphone than operating a kitchen appliance. Steam release happens automatically here, and 9 built-in safety features work quietly in the background, making pressure cooking approachable for nervous beginners while still satisfying seasoned users who want dependable, consistent performance. The ceramic non-stick inner pot, made without PFAS, helps rice, braises, and sticky sauces release cleanly, and it wipes down with minimal effort afterward. Build-wise, the exterior stays cool, and the compact footprint means it won't dominate counter space like bulkier multi-cookers. At 6 quarts, capacity comfortably handles family-sized stews and grain dishes, functioning much like a traditional slow cooker, but with far more flexibility. The trade-off for this cleaner, simpler design is fewer specialized presets, so cooks wanting one-touch yogurt or sous vide settings may find themselves managing things more manually.
Number 4. Ninja PC201 Instant Pot. The Ninja PC201 Instant Pot is built to replace a whole lineup of kitchen gadgets, packing 9 functions into one unit: pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice making, sous vide, steaming, searing or sautéing, yogurt making, and more, all within a design meant for everyday use. Hyperheat technology is the standout feature here, ramping up pressure quickly so meals cook up to twice as fast compared to traditional slow cooking methods, a genuine time saver on hectic weeknights. Searing and sautéing directly in the same pot means fewer pans to wash and deeper flavor built into the dish before pressure cooking even begins. The removable Simply Serve pot is a thoughtful touch, moving straight from cooker to table, which makes hosting or portioning meals for the family noticeably easier without dirtying extra serving dishes. Capacity is generous at 6.5 quarts, large enough to fit a 4-pound chicken or 5-pound roast, comfortably feeding 8 to 10 people, making this a strong choice for bigger households or anyone who cooks in bulk. Rice and grains cook impressively fast too, with white rice ready in as little as 8 minutes and quinoa in around 5, excluding the time needed to build and release pressure.
Number 5. Chef IQ Instant Pot. The Chef IQ Instant Pot brings a genuinely different angle to pressure cooking by connecting the appliance directly to a smartphone app over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, unlocking hundreds of guided recipes and how-to videos right from your kitchen counter. That connectivity turns cooking into something closer to following a chef standing beside you, appealing especially to less experienced cooks who want step-by-step confidence rather than guesswork. A built-in scale sets this model apart from nearly every competitor, using 4 smart sensors to measure ingredients by weight and calculate exactly how much liquid your dish needs, eliminating measuring cups from the process entirely. Auto pressure release adds another layer of convenience, offering quick, pulse, and natural release methods that adjust automatically depending on what you're cooking, so you're not left guessing which setting suits a delicate dish versus a hearty one. The preset library is genuinely extensive, letting you simply enter an ingredient and receive exact cook settings, which takes much of the trial and error out of pressure cooking for newcomers. Wireless firmware updates mean the cooker keeps improving over time, gaining new features and refined algorithms without requiring a replacement purchase. It ships with a steamer rack and basket, handling whole vegetables to chopped dumplings with ease. The obvious trade-off is real reliance on an app and stable Wi-Fi connection, which won't appeal to cooks who prefer simple, old-fashioned manual controls. Still, for tech-comfortable home cooks wanting guidance and precision, this smart cooker offers standout value and genuine convenience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.